The following will show 11 steps for a successful laser razor installation. Remove the current K40 laser table from its bed. Totally eliminate fan vent duct or shorten it to 4-inch final reach. In this example, the duct was cut in half on a scroll saw fitted with a shortened hacksaw blade with 32 teeth per inch, but was not reinstalled. Use 2 wide strips of masking tape to cover an area 7 inches and 15 inches from the left front edge of the K40 cabinet. Accurately mark a vertical line on each tape 7.5 inches and 15.5 inches from the K40 front left edge. Mark intersecting horizontal lines on each masking tape 1.5 inches from the K40 front bottom edge. Confirm your layout measurements and that both intersects are 8 inches apart. Center punch both intersects for an upcoming pilot hole. 3 drill bit sizes are needed to drill 2 half-inch holes through both the cabinet front and the inner wall, 1/2 inch behind the cabinet front. Note that the right hole has some internal wires to its right. A wooden or plastic ruler can be used from above to keep the wires at a safe clearance. Then, drill 1/8 inch pilot holes and either 5/16 or 3/8 inch intermediate holes, and then the final half-inch holes. Place the base of the laser razor inside the K40 bed with hex couplings facing the front of the cabinet to receive the threaded rod of the control knob assembly. Temporarily remove lock nut from the ends of both control knob assemblies and thread the T-nuts towards the knobs to compress springs to roughly 1 inch. Insert knob assemblies through the new holes and thread the lock nuts roughly 3/4 of an inch back onto the assemblies from the K40 bed side. Screw each of the knob assemblies into the base hex couplings until threaded rods are seated and snug within the couplings. Then thread the lock nuts against the couplings and tighten connections with the 7/16 inch and 1/2 inch wrenches. Important: hold the 7/16 inch wrench steady on the couplings and tighten the lock nut against the couplings. Lessen the spring tension at the knobs by loosening T-nuts until the front of the laser razor has clearance with the second front wall of roughly 2 7/8 inch to 3 inches, and the T-nuts rest in their holes. The laser razor should be evenly centered in the K40 bed with side clearance of roughly 1/2 inch to 5/8 inch each. Rotate the T-nuts in or out to make final position adjustments. Temporarily remove the 2 black knobs by loosening their lock nuts with a 1/2 inch wrench. Mark 3 hole locations for each of the T-nuts and center punch. Drill holes with the 1/8 inch bit. It may help to get 1 flathead screw per T-nut fastened before drilling remaining holes. Fasten T-nuts to the front K40 panel with flathead screws. Reattach control knob and adjust distance from front panel for a comfortable fit, and then tighten lock nuts. Thread lock fluid is optional. Fasten laser razor base to the K40 floor by marking and drilling 4 1/8 inch holes. Important: place a board under your K40 to prevent drilling holes through your stand. Screw 4 pan head screws to fasten the laser razor to the K40 floor. Attach foam spacer boards to the underside of the cover at the Velcro contacts. Try to space evenly at the ends. Place cover back on base and you are ready to go.